Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix people option missing on Messenger. Now first up, you can try to update your Messenger first, so just check your App Store and then look for the Messenger app and see if there are any available updates. If there is, then just go ahead and keep it up to date, as this can fix most issues and bugs. Next, you can also try restarting the app. So for example, if you have your Messenger open, just swipe it all the way up like this, and then relaunch the app. You can also try reinstalling the app, so just long press the Messenger app, and then tap on Remove App, and then reinstall it through the App Store. It's also worth making sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you'd like, you can also switch between Wi-Fi to mobile data to check if the issue persists. And you can also try checking your phone if there's any updates needed. So make sure you're running the latest version of iOS or OS for Android. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.